Is this a goodbye or goodbye, Labubu? There are mixed reviews for this Labubu the Monsters Sanrio collaboration. I thought Labubu fever is over, but it sold out in Pop Mart official website, sold out in the Pop Mart physical store, and sold out in TikTok. The Monsters and Sanrio characters. The design are Pompompurin, My Melody, Kuromi, Hello Kitty, Pochacco, Cinnamoroll. In every full tray complete set, stands a chance to get the secret design. There are 6 blind boxes in a full tray. This is the heaviest blind box. This is the lightest blind box. These 2 blind boxes has similar weight. The remaining 2 blind boxes has different weight. Unboxing the first blind box. The Monsters and Sanrio characters. I like Kuromi and Cinnamoroll. Of course I hope to get the secret design. All the boxes feel similar, so I will not describe the box feel when I shake it. It's My Melody, Labubu the Monster. I think this My Melody looks cute. Brown color Pop Mart engraved onto the metal ring. The tag have the Monsters and My Melody embroidered onto it. Let's check if there is UV print on the Labubu's feet. No UV print. Let's remove the outfit. After removing the outfit, this Labubu looks like the Exciting Macaron series. The arms are adjustable. There are 9 teeth. The fur seems to peel off as I touch it. The head is rotatable. Would you consider a goodbye or goodbye Labubu? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. The estimated weight for My Melody, the Monsters and Sanrio characters Pop Mart series is 150 grams. Unboxing the second blind box. I really hope to get the secret design. The blind box feels similar as the previous box. It's Pochacco, Labubu the Monster. Both the feet are rotatable. The arms are adjustable. This character is my least favorite design. Blue color Pop Mart engraved onto the metal ring. Let's see if we can remove the outfit. I think this Pochacco Labubu looks like the green color Labubu from the Have a Seat series. There are 9 teeth. The head is rotatable. I feel that Pop Mart lacked creativity when they designed this Sanrio series. Do you think it's a goodbye or goodbye Labubu? The estimated weight for Pochacco, the Monsters and Sanrio characters Pop Mart series is 156.4 grams. Unboxing the third blind box. I seriously hope to get the secret design. The other Sanrio characters that I like are Kuromi, or Cinnamoroll. This Cinnamoroll, Labubu the monster is so adorable. Both the feet are rotatable. The arms are adjustable. Blue color Pop Mart engraved onto the metal ring. The tag have the Monsters and Cinnamoroll embroidered onto it. I think the outfit lack Sanrio branding. It would be nice if Pop Mart can add more Cinnamoroll design in the outfit. Don't you agree? I decided not to remove the white t-shirt, as it might stretch the t-shirt collar. The head is rotatable. Let's count. There are 9 teeth. Do you think this Cinnamoroll Labubu is a goodbye or goodbye? The estimated weight for Cinnamoroll, the Monsters and Sanrio characters Pop Mart series is 156.9 grams. The estimated weight difference for Cinnamoroll and Pochacco is about 0.5 grams. Now that I have unboxed Cinnamoroll, I hope to unbox Kuromi, or the secret design. Wow! It's Kuromi, one of my favorite character. The left foot is rotatable, the right foot is non-rotatable. The arms are adjustable. Black color Pop Mart engraved onto the metal ring. The tag have the Monsters and Kuromi embroidered onto it. The dress has a little wave at the bottom, but I think it lacks Sanrio branding on the outfit. Let's remove the outfit. The head is rotatable. There are 9 teeth. After removing the outfit, this is disappointing. This Labubu looks like Exciting Macaron series.
Oh my god.
The moment you remove the Kuromi hood, you can't tell it's a Kuromi Labubu. Is it a goodbye, or goodbye Labubu? The estimated weight for Kuromi, the Monsters and Sanrio characters Pop Mart series is 152.9 grams. This blind box feels lighter. This blind box feels heavier. Let's unbox a lighter blind box. This is my last 2 chances to get the secret design. I seriously hope to get the secret design. No, it's not the secret design. It's Hello Kitty, Labubu the monster. Both the feet cannot be rotated. The arms are adjustable. Pink color Pop Mart engraved onto the metal ring. The tagged have the monsters, and Hello Kitty embroidered onto it. Let's remove the outfit. The dress lacks Sanrio branding, don't you agree? The head is rotatable. Would you consider this Hello Kitty, Labubu the monsters, a goodbye, or goodbye Labubu? The estimated weight for Hello Kitty, the Monsters and Sanrio characters Pop Mart series is 147.2 grams. This is my last chance to get the secret design. I hope it's the secret design. This blind box feels heavy. Could it be the secret design? It's Pompompurin, Labubu the monster. Brown color Pop Mart engraved onto the metal ring. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. The feet are rotatable. The arms are adjustable. If Pop Mart can add a Sanrio UV print on the feet, it will make this Sanrio series more interesting. Don't you agree? The blue top is difficult to remove, similar as the rest. I think the outfit lacks Sanrio branding. The head is rotatable. So disappointed. This Labubu like from Baba Labubu. Lack of creativity for this series. Would you consider this a goodbye, or goodbye Labubu? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. The estimated weight for Pompompurin, the Monsters and Sanrio characters Pop Mart series is 161.4 grams. Pompompurin is the heaviest. Hello Kitty is the lightest. I have unboxed today. This is the secret design. Good luck. I hope you get it. Smash like and subscribe. Till then, happy toy collecting.